Today's demo is all about Fabric mirroring in Azure Database for MySQL. We'll begin in the Azure portal, where the first step is to enable mirroring on MySQL Server. Let's click on Fabric mirroring. This is a screen where you can enable the mirroring configuration. Turning on the Fabric mirroring will ensure the database is fully prepared for replication into Fabric. We follow simple steps to enable this configuration. We click on Enable Fabric mirroring. Select the user-assigned managed identity and click on Save. You can see Fabric mirroring has been successfully enabled. Now let's move to Fabric UX to complete next set of configuration. Let's navigate to My Workspace. Here you can create a new workspace or use an existing one. I will be using an existing workspace. Now, in the workspace, click on New Item. Look for MySQL in Preview as a data source and select it for next steps. Now we need to establish a connection with the source MySQL server by providing all necessary information like the hostname, database we want to mirror, and authentication details like username and password. Click Connect. Now Fabric is establishing a connection with the source MySQL database. Once connected, it loads up a list of tables that needs to be mirrored into Fabric. Now select all the tables and click Connect. Now provide an artifact name or keep the default. Now, clicking on Create Mirrored Database. This will create a mirrored artifact in Fabric. You can now see the configuration in progress. Here we go. We can now see the list of replicated tables, and the replication status shows as healthy and running. Let's give it a moment and refresh once more to ensure all rows have been fully replicated and are available in the Fabric landing zone. From here, we can switch from the MySQL database over to the SQL Analytics endpoint, where we can start querying our mirrored data. You can see the database and its tables listed. Let's click on one and see the data. There you go. We can now also run SQL queries directly on this data. Here's a sample query to get the customer distribution by geography. And that brings us to the end of the demo. Once your data is in OneLake, the possibilities are truly limitless as you can unlock the full power of Fabric's rich analytics capabilities.